Hey, welcome to the Backwoods Gourmet. As you might have seen by that little intro, we got a project going on. We just moved up to the new place and we're going to be building a new studio. So stay tuned. If you watched this for a while, you might have seen us do some cooks out here before. Well, my dad still lived here, and thanks for everyone, all your condolences. My father did pass away back in the end of April, so we're going to be taking up residence here and moving from where we currently live and where the current studio is. And this is going to be where we're going to do majority of our studio filming. Now, we do have a lot of opportunities around here for going out to the woods. All right, we got a state forest only a couple of miles from here. Okay, so over this direction, we have a highway over there about a quarter of a mile. Okay, busy highway. There's a lot of traffic noise from out there. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to close this end in of the pavilion. And we're also going to close this side up here. So we're going to have more room than we had really at the old place, but we're not going to have the whole countertop and the sink and all that. I've got some plans, and I will show you as we go here what we're going to do here. But this view you're looking at here, that's going to be the new cast iron wall. And we've already picked up the material to start framing that, and that's what's here on the trailer. All right, and those fence pickets we're going to use for some shiplap and stuff like that. It's got some big ideas. One thing I do want to get rid of is this ugly truss here at the end on both ends at the overhang. I'm going to go ahead and put a collar tie in there, and then we're going to cut that bottom cord out of there, both ends of this place. And then up in here, I'm going to be installing a fan to pull smoke out of the area, and eventually we're going to make a ceiling in here. So try to bring you guys along through the process. I hope you don't get too bored with it. We are going to try to do some cooking along the way. You can see we already got our Sportsman's Grill and our lodge table set up here. We got the Weber Smoky Mountain. I do need to keep the Weber kettle back at the home place so I can cook for Mrs. Backwoods when I'm down there on the weekends. So for right now, start a new full-time job tomorrow, and I'm going to be working on this in my downtime if possible. bit of a challenge trying to build to something that's not square to start with, and there's no way it's going to be. This post here has got a huge curve in it, and a big storm about blew this thing over. Back during the winter, I had to come over and put straps and a come along on it to get it as square as it is, and I'm the one that installed these 4x4 braces. I got it as square as I could at the time, but now it's just heat and humidity pulling it out. So at this point, we're just going to build with what we got and trim it as we go. That's all we can do there, because there's no way I'm going to be able to square this existing building that's been here for I don't know how many years, and especially out here exposed to the elements, to make it square. All I know is that when we do build these walls, it will stiffen it up quite a bit. We're going to use some T111 siding on the outside, and then we're going to do some special stuff on the inside. But right now, just rough framing. I'm going to try to plumb everything. I'm going to try to plumb up everything as we go. That's why we didn't just build a wall and stand it up here like what I would normally do. We got both of our bottom plates down, and we're going to go ahead and start. We don't really need a top plate because we already have a double 2x8 up there. So we're just going to run with it. That's all we can do. I know it's not going to be perfect, but hey, nothing at the Backwoods Gourmet channel is ever perfect. All right, folks, so as you can see, we got a good start. We got our bottom plate in, got our first couple studs in. That first one was kind of tricky. We had to cut that one at 45 to meet up with that brace there. But yeah, it's going. Hey, leave some comments down in the comments below. This whole little project is going to be how to build a summer kitchen for yourself. Our outdoor kitchen, that's going to be what this is. Just like the place we have back at the old house. So we're gonna, you know, we had a good head start by having this cover ready, but now we're gonna make it into the outdoor kitchen, and that's what it's all about. And I'm gonna show you guys every step along the way of building this. So make sure, if this is the first time you're here, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on the rest of this project. Okay, so I've worked through the brutal heat out here today, and I at least got this wall done. We do have a little shop light hanging up there that I can plug an extension cord into. I don't even know if it works anymore. We still have this wall to do, but we got the bottom plate set. We're going to do the exact same process that we did here on that side. We still got some more 2x4s to go, but man, tell you what, I'm tired. So guys, appreciate you hanging through us with us here while we're you know, not doing cooking recipes, and showing you how to instead build your own outdoor kitchen. And you know, you might not have a roof like this already, or a pavilion like we have already, but I'm sure there's plenty of other YouTube channels that can show you how to build that part. We're going to show you how we're building ours, and maybe you'll learn a little something on the journey to us building our new one. And if you're working on an outdoor kitchen, and maybe you'll learn a few more ideas or techniques or skills that you didn't know you needed, but when you get into the project, sometimes you find out you need to know these things. Okay, all right, so at any rate, that's the progress for today. I'm going to call it quits. I still got other chores I have to do today, including trying to download this video for you guys and get it up on YouTube. So we'll see y'all next time.